Struggling to cancel GeForce NOW Ultimate without losing your Founders for Life status? You absolutely can, and I'll show you exactly how to navigate this tricky process to retain your valuable benefits right now. First, it's crucial to confirm your existing Founders for Life status directly within the GeForce NOW client settings. This step verifies your current benefits are active and provides a baseline before making any changes. If that initial check confirms your status, the next critical step involves using the official NVIDIA account portal. Directly managing your subscription there is vital because it gives you access to the specific cancellation options designed to preserve your legacy perks. Should those options not appear straightforward, our third method details conditional cancellation steps, where reading every warning prompt is paramount. These prompts often contain critical, explicit information about Founders' status, retention, and potential risks. Finally, if you encounter any ambiguity or a security breach preventing a clear cancellation path, contacting NVIDIA support for a direct workaround is your safest bet. They can guide you through the process, ensuring your Founders for Life status remains untouched. Don't risk losing those exclusive lifetime perks. Follow these steps carefully to secure your account today.